Hello everyone. Welcome to Wonderslate.
Topic for today's quiz is cell function. Question number 1. When was the cell discovered? Option A, 1664. Option B, 1665. Option C, 1666. Option D, 1667. The correct answer is option B, 1665. The cell was first discovered and named by Robert Hooke in 1665. Question number 2. Who was the first person to observe a cell? Option A, Robert Clive. Option B, Thomas Alva Edison. Option C, Newton. Option D, Robert Hooke. The correct answer is option D, Robert Hooke. The cell was first discovered and named by Robert Hooke in 1665. Question number 3. The basic structural unit of an organ is option A, tissue. Option B, cell. Option C, organ. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, cell. So, cell is the basic structural unit for all unicellular and multicellular organisms. Simply because cell is the building block of an organism, it is called structural unit. Question number 4. What are single-celled organisms called? Option A, multicellular. Option B, unicellular. Option C, prokaryotic. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, unicellular. A unicellular organism, also known as a single-celled organism, is an organism that consists of only one cell. Question number 5. Chloroplast is found in option A, plant cell. Option B, animal cell. Option C, both of them. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, plant cell. Chloroplasts are small organelles inside the cells of plants and algae. They absorb light to make sugar in a process called photosynthesis. Question number 6. Mitochondria is known as the option A, digestive bag of the cell. Option B, protective part of the cell. Option C, powerhouse of the cell. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, powerhouse of the cell. It helps in a process known as cellular respiration. It is for this reason that mitochondria are often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell. Question number 7. This cell/S does not have a definite shape. Option A, amoeba. Option B, WBC. Option C, both of these. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, both of these. Due to the presence of cells of irregular shapes, amoeba and WBC is irregular in shape. Question number 8. Which part of the cell is known as suicide bag? Option A, centrosome. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, endoplasmic reticulum. Option D, lysosomes. The correct answer is option D, lysosomes. It helps the cell to process its nutrients and is responsible for destroying the cell after it has died. Hence it is known as suicidal bag of cell. Question number 9. The outermost part of the animal cell is option A, cell wall. Option B, skin. Option C, cell membrane. Option D, Nucleus. The correct answer is option C. Cell membrane. Cell membrane is the outermost layer found in the animal cell. Question number 10. The substance present on a rough endoplasmic reticulum is option A. Ribosomes. Option B. Lysosomes. Option C. Dictyosomes. Option D. Golgi complex. The correct answer is option A. Ribosomes. Ribosomes on the rough endoplasmic reticulum are called membrane-bound and are responsible for the assembly of many proteins. Question number 11. The outermost part of the plant cell is option A. Cell wall. Option B. Tissue. Option C. Cell membrane. Option D. Vacuoles. The correct answer is option A. Cell wall. A cell wall is a structural layer surrounding plant cells, just outside the cell membrane. Question number 12. The cells having nuclear material without membrane are termed as option A. Prokaryotic cells. Option B. Eukaryotic cells. Option C. Both of these. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotes are unicellular organisms that lack organelles or other internal membrane-bound structures. Therefore, they do not have a nucleus, but, instead, generally have a single chromosome. Question number 13. Chromosomes carry option A. Nucleus. Option B. Lysosomes. Option C. Genes. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option C. Genes. Genes are contained in chromosomes, which are mainly in the cell nucleus. Question number 14. The jelly-like substance present between cell membrane and nucleus. Option A. Plastids. Option B. Lysosome. Option C. Cytoplasm. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Cytoplasm, the material or protoplasm within a living cell, excluding the nucleus. Question number 15. This is not present in plant cell. Option A. Vacuoles. Option B. Cell wall. Option C. Lysosomes. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option C. Lysosomes. The lysosomes are the animal cell's garbage disposal, while in plant cells the same function takes place in vacuoles. Question number 16. The smallest functional unit of life is called option A. Cell. Option B. Egg. Option C. Nucleus. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. Cell. Cells are the most basic building units of life. All living things are composed of cells. Question number 17. Cell which can be seen by naked eye. Option A. Amoeba. Option B. Onion peel cell. Option C. Hen's egg. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Hen's egg. Egg is a single cell. Hence it can be seen by the naked eye. Question number 18. Nucleus is separated from cytoplasm by option A. Cell wall. Option B. Cell membrane. Option C. Nuclear membrane. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane, sometimes referred to as the nuclear envelope, is the membrane that encloses the nucleus. Question number 19. Green plastids containing chlorophyll is called option A. Chloroplast. Option B. Chromoplast. Option C. Cytoplasm. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Chloroplast. The chloroplast is filled with thylakoids, which is where photosynthesis occurs, and chlorophyll. Question number 20. The longest cell in human body is option A. RBC. Option B. WBC. Option C. Nerve cell. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Nerve cell. The longest cells in the human body are the nerve cells whose cell bodies are located in the base of your spinal cord and whose axons run down to the ends of your toes. Question number 21. Many cells combined together form option A. Tissue. Option B. Organ. Option C. Organ system. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Tissue. Many cells combine to form tissues. Many tissues together form organs and many organs form organ systems. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.